Have you ever seen a member of our team talk about a shape in our print ready library, either on our Facebook page or in our Facebook group? Or maybe you have even seen a Facebook post on the Facebook page talking about the new shapes or images we've added to our print ready library. In this week's Digital Minute, I'm going to show you what a shape is and how you can customize it. In order to customize a shape, you need to first be in our layout designer. Now you can do this with DTF, UV DTF, or sublimation, whichever you want to do. You'll want to click on the icon that goes with what you're doing. I'm going to do DTF, so that's the one I'm going to choose. I'm going to go into the layout designer by clicking this button right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose a 1-foot canvas because I'm going to get 2 images, and I know that the approximate size will fit on here. So I'm going to go into the library, and you can look up a shape many different ways. You can click this box right here. You can unclick all of these and type something in specific that you're looking for. You can also go right into the print ready and go into a category and look in a category to see what is available. So like right here, there's a shape right there. You will always see customizable on the thumbnail of the image. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to add that to my canvas. And I'm going to go back because I want another one. So I'm just going to kind of look through here a little bit and see. I like this bow one. We're going to add this one. And then I'm going to take that back up. And I'm going to move these over. I'm going to first press my light dark button. And then I'm going to size these down to where I need them. I want this right here not to be above 11.5. So I'm going to go ahead and size that to 11.5. And this image here, I want to bring it up probably to about 11.2. That's probably what I can safely do. Okay, so this little white box here, if you hover over it with your cursor, you'll see that little pencil pop up. You want to click that and click Edit Shape. From here, you can put a color on it if you want it in red, or maybe you want it in hot pink. Okay, so you can do that. If you want it in blue or yellow, orange, whatever color your heart desires. I actually want this one to be in a pattern. So I'm going to go through the patterns and I'm going to choose this rainbow one. Now I don't like how much color is in this one. So I can take my pattern scale and I can go down, which gives me more color, or I can go up, which gives me more color but in a bigger area. It's not a repeated color. So I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to click the X on that one, and I'm going to come over to this one, and I'm going to do the same thing. So on this one, I think I'm going to do a color, and I think I want to choose something that's kind of purple. I like that dark purple. We'll go with that one. Now looking at this one, I think I want to go back. What I can also do on here is add a stroke, and I think I want to do that. Now I can make this as big or as small as I want it. But I think I just want to do kind of a thin line here, just to make it pop a little bit. And I'm going to close that up. And there you go. I took a plain black shape and I made it completely what I want it to be. I can even take this one if I wanted and edit it again. And if I want, I can take and put a pink stroke on this one and make it a little bit prettier. So there you go. That's how you use the shapes in our print ready library and how you make them whatever you want them to be.